Hello everybody and welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders, and today we are going to do the entire session, entire chapter of perimeter and area for grade 7. This is your master teacher Haripriya. Let us get started. How many people are bang on time? That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. 21 people are right on time. Very good. Just give me 1 minute. I don't know why I'm not able to see the live chat. Acha, theek hai, haan. Hi Shreya. Hello, hello. Hi Renu. Welcome to the session. Kaise ho sab log? How is the josh? How is the energy? Come on, call in all your friends. We are going to finish the entire chapter of perimeters and area, where we will be doing plenty of questions also that might come in your final exams. So the difficulty level of today's session would be a little more, ठीक है, थोड़ा difficult रहेगा, because this chapter में you will definitely get a question from this chapter, right? So I thought let me make sure that all my students are super duper prepared. Okay. Shreya, hello, hello, hello. Hi Pavitra. Hi Siddharaj. Okay. Hi Preeti. Hi Tintu. Hi Saksham. Hi Ansh. Hi Priyali. Welcome, welcome. So let us get started with a quick dose of motivation. If there is no struggle, then there is no progress at all. If everything is coming very easily to you, then you're not learning, you're not progressing, you're just there. So make sure that you are always motivated. Even if there's some struggle coming into your life, it's okay. You are going to learn something out of it. You are going to come out of it, and there will definitely be learnings and progress through that struggle. Okay. Hello everybody. Hi Ansh. Yes, bacha, I remember you. But there are a lot of Anshs in my class. I don't know which one. Okay, you are my friend. Yes, thank you so much. Hi Geetika. Hi Viraj. Hi Shreyansh. Viraj is new. Welcome to the channel, Viraj. Hi Priyali. Yes, Bacha, I definitely remember you. So guys, before we proceed further, I want you guys to quickly hit the like button if you haven't hit the like button yet. Matlab, I can see 24 people are live watching, 28 people, but only 20 likes. Kyun? Huh? Who are these 8 people? Come on, hit the like button right now. Also, leave a comment if you're not watching this session live. Do leave a comment and tell me, was the session useful? Did you like the teaching and all of that? I would love to read your comments. Also, share this video right now with all your friends. Okay, so let us begin. Let us not waste any further time. Let us do the entire chapter, revise entire chapter of perimeter and area. First, we will revise all the formulas that we have learned and then problems based on it. Okay? So, hello to everybody in the chat box. Let us begin with the first topic, the chapter itself, perimeter and area. Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary of a closed shape. Now, for example, I have this, let's take photo frame. Okay, I have a photo frame with me, right? Now, if I add this side plus this side ka length plus this side ka length plus this side ka length, if I add the length of the total boundary of this photo frame is nothing but the perimeter. What is the area? You're seeing the space where I kept the photo. Yeah, you're seeing the space where the photo is kept. This region is called as the area, and it is usually bounded by the boundary of the closed shape. Okay? Now, there are a few very important formulas that you have to learn. Now, when I talk about rectangle and square, we have already learned that in our grade 6. So, let's move forward first with that. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Okay? A plus B, L plus B is the same thing. A plus B is length. A they have taken as length. Okay, what about a square? It is 4 multiplied with the length of each side. Very easy. What is the area of a rectangle? Length multiplied with the breadth. It's actually given as width multiplied with the height. It's the same as length multiplied with the breadth. And area of a square is a square because all the sides are equal to each other. And then we have spoken about triangles. Now, when I take a rectangle and divide it into, take a diagonal and divide it into two parts, two equal triangles are forming. So basically, the area of the triangle is half the area of the rectangle. So you can take the length as base and height as breadth. So area of a triangle is half base into height. ठीक है? Okay. Hi Aditi, thank you so much, bacha. Hi Priyanka. Hi Twisa. Hello. So what is the area of a triangle? It is half base into height. Please remember this. Half base into height. What is the area of a parallelogram? Area of a parallelogram is base multiplied with height. Area of a triangle is half base multiplied with the height. ठीक है? Hello Radhika. Hi Pratima. Chalo. And circumference and area of a circle. Circumference का मतलब है perimeter. But when we talk about circles, we do not talk about we don't say perimeter, we say circumference. So what is the circumference of the circle? The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, where r is the radius. If diameter is given, then your radius is half of the diameter. And what is the area formula? Pi r square. Okay. Now, circumference of the circle can also be written as pi d. Why? Because from this relation here, you can see the diameter is 2r. So instead of writing 2r, I can replace that with d. So it is going to be pi d. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, everybody. Very good. Hi, Nathik. Thank you, Saksham. Hi, Atharva. Okay, let us get started with long answer type questions. Chalo, everybody read the first question. Read the first question. The radius of a circular box is 10 centimeters. What should be the length of the tape required to wrap once around the pipe? You just tell me, should I calculate the area or should I calculate the circumference? Come on, guys. Yes, there will be VQuiz also, Rohan. Don't worry. Hi, Sana. रोहन, पेरी क्या होता है? पेरी 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 मसाला फाइंड आउट करना है आपको. Circum. Yes, perimeter. Yeah, you can say circumference also. Very good, guys. Why? Because the disc is in the shape of a circle and जो tape हमें लगाना है वो सिर्फ boundaries पे ही लग रहा है ना? So when I say boundary, right, required to wrap it around the pipe, around the boundary, we are going to call it as circumference, which is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the radius? 10. So it is 440 by 7 centimeters. Do not forget to write the units. Very, very important. Okay? Yes, 62.8. I'm taking Shreya's answer here. Hope it's right. Okay? Jai Singh, please carefully listen here. I'm going to explain this again. Everybody, please carefully listen. Now, the question is, the radius of a circular box is 10 centimeters. What should be the length of the tape required to wrap around it once? Now, let us take that this is our circular box. Okay, let's take this is our box. Now, you have to put a tape around this. है ना? So, you're only taking in consideration the boundary. So, when I talk about finding the length of the tape, which is wrapped around the boundary, then we have to go with the perimeter, because perimeter is the length of the boundary around the closed figure. So, यहाँ पे तो circular disc है, that means it's a circle. So, what is going to be the perimeter? Circumference, which is 2 pi r. Radius is given, your circumference is here. ठीक है? How did you get 22/17? to मार पड़ेगी अभी, मार पड़ेगी. The value of pi is 22/7. ठीक है? 2 pi r. Okay? Chalo. Find the area of the shaded region. Now, before we start finding the area of the shaded region, I am going to draw this line. Okay? So, what is happening? There is a big rectangle. There is one triangle and one small rectangle. Hai na? Right? So, let us talk about the big rectangle. What is the length of the big rectangle? 4 plus 3. 7 centimeters. What is the breadth of the big rectangle? 2. एक मिनट, ये 2.5, 1.5 और 2 और 1 तो अलग है. How is this possible? I don't think. अच्छा, हाँ, तो ये it is not 2.5 and 1.5. It will just be 2 and 1. Only then it is possible. Otherwise, you cannot. It's not a rectangle anymore. Anyways, 2 plus 1 will give you 3 centimeters. Okay. So with the help of this measurement, we can find the area of the big rectangle. So what is the area of the big rectangle? Length multiplied with the breadth, which is 21 centimeters square. ठीक है? Ma'am, can you explain? I am explaining. Please carefully listen. ठीक है? Okay, everybody. Now, we want the area of the shaded region. Yes, you are right. There are two more triangles which are formed. So, how can you get the area of the shaded region here? You can say that the area of the rectangle minus the area of triangle number 1 plus triangle number 2 will give you the area of the shaded region. Yes, everybody? Did you understand? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Did you understand this part? To find the area of the shaded region, you have to take the area of the big rectangle and separate it and subtract the smaller rectangle from it. Yes? Okay? Awesome. Now, so what is that we have? What is the area of the rectangle? 21 centimeters square. Because the length is 4 plus 3. The total length is 7 centimeters. 2 plus 1. The total length here is 3 centimeters. So what is going to be the area? Length multiplied with the breadth. So that is 21 centimeters square. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे now let us carefully look at the triangle number 1. So when I take triangle number 1 here, guys, okay, T1, I'll write it as T1 and this is T2, okay. So it is half base into height. Your base is 2 centimeters, height is 4 centimeters. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it is 4 centimeters square. And what about triangle number 2? Actually, in the solution for triangle number 2, they've taken 2.5. But if you take 2.5 here, this total will not work. Matlab, it will not look like a rectangle. So we are going to take it as 2 and 1 only. Okay? So it is half base into height. Cancel, cancel. So it is going to be 3 centimeters square. Good evening, Sanskriti. So we have the area of triangle number 1, we have the area of triangle number 2, and we have the area of the rectangle, which is 21 centimeters square. So area of the rectangle minus area of triangle number 1 plus triangle number 2 will give you the area of the shaded region. So 21 minus 4 plus 3. 21 minus 7. What is that you will be getting? 14 centimeters square. So the area of the shaded region here is going to be 14 centimeters square. ठीक है? Okay. Awesome, awesome. Let us get started with the next question on your screen. It is not a rectangle. You can't say it is not a rectangle. Otherwise, मतलब यहाँ पे फिर rectangular region क्यों लिया है ना? अगर ये rectangle नहीं है, तो that's why there is a small correction. It has to be 2.0, 2.0 only. Like the length and the breadth has to be the same. है ना? चलो. Let's move forward with the next question on your screens, everybody. Come on. If you haven't hit the like button yet, you know what to do. Yes, you have to hit the like button right now. Now, a door of dimensions 3 meters cross 2 meters is on the wall of dimensions 10 meters cross 10 meters. Find the cost of painting the wall if the rate of painting it is 2.5 rupees per meter square. So if you want to paint the wall, will you find out the area or will you find out the perimeter? Come on everybody. I want you guys to tell me in the chat box, will you find out area or perimeter? यार लाइव चैट दिख क्यों नहीं रही मेरे को? Area, very good everybody. We are going to find out the area. So now, but when you are painting the entire wall, there is a door also. So you have to remove the area of the door, then you will be getting how much area needs to be painted. So first let's talk about area of that square. That is 10 cross 10, that is 100 meters square will be the area of the entire wall. But in this 100, we don't have to paint the door. So what is going to be the area of the door? Length multiplied with the breadth, 6 meters square. So how much wall is needed to be painted? Area of the square minus area of the door will give you how much wall needs to be painted. So what is the answer? 100 minus 6 will give you 94 meters square. So what is the question? You have to find the cost of painting. So for 1 meter square, they are charging rupees 2.50. How many meter squares of area do we have? 94 meter square. So what will you do here? 94 divided by 2.5? Yeah, 94 multiplied with 2.5. What are you going to do here? क्विज कब होगा? जब ये सारे सवाल हम कर लेंगे उसके बाद होगा क्विज. Yes, very good. So it is 94 multiplied with 2.5. Very good. I'm going with Shreya's answer again. 235 rupees. Okay. So we have found out the area of the wall, area of the door. Now you have to subtract the area of the wall and door. You will get the area that needs to be painted. That is 94 meters square. So cost is already given 2.5. You have to find out the total cost. So area we already know. You just have to multiply. Very good. Very amazing. Chalo, let us get started. Dev, it's not 8 bacha. 3 into 2 is 6. Thank you, Pratima. Okay, easy peasy. Very good, Shreya. Let's move forward with the next question. Hello, Vivek. Hi, Crazy XYZ. Everyone read the question. Each side of a square flower bed is 2 meters 8 centimeters long. Basically 280 centimeters. It is extended by digging a strip 30 centimeters wide all around it. So what is going to be the length of the outer square here? 280 plus 30 plus 30. है ना? Because the width of this is 30. So what is the total length here? 30 plus 280 plus 30. Is everybody understanding this? Did you get how we got the length of the bigger square? Understood? Okay. So total here would be 340 centimeters. Shreya, please carefully listen. Ansh, please carefully listen. आप लोग सुन नहीं रहे हो यहाँ पे. Here they are telling that this is the small square flower bed of length 280 meters. मतलब यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का length है 280 meters. Now they have extended and they have dug a strip of 30 centimeters. So here also they have dug 30 centimeters. Here also they have dug 30 centimeters. तो ये जो बड़ा सा स्क्वायर जो हमें अभी नजर आ रहा है, this big square, what is going to be the length of it? 30 plus 280 plus 30. This is going to be the length of the outer, okay, side length of the outer square. समझ आ गया अभी? Ansh and all who said no, Ranju, Ansh, Shreya, did you understand now? Hi DAV expert, did you understand? Guys, somehow my live chat is not loading. Achha, yes, okay, cool. Now, what are they asking? Find the area of the enlarged flower bed and also increase in the area of the flower bed. Achha, theek hai. Okay. Now we have to first find the area of the enlarged flower bed. So let's take that to be A, B, C, D. Now we have to find the area of A, B, C, D. Let me just change the color. I want it to be a little dark. Okay, A, B, C, D. So what is that? It is in the shape of a square. So the area is going to be 340 centimeters cross 340 centimeters. Okay? So this is going to be the area of the enlarged flower bed, the first half. Okay? Everybody understood? Now how do we find the increase in the area? So first find out the original area. So that is for P, Q, R, S. So let us find out the area of PQRS. That is 280 cross 280. Okay. So when you find out the area of the small, you already have the area of the large one, right? Everybody understanding? So here it is going to be 115,600 centimeters square. If you don't want big numbers like this, you can always convert that into meters. Here it is going to be 78400 centimeters square. Now what are they asking? You have to find the increase in the area. How much area has increased? So area of the bigger square minus the area of the smaller square will give you the area of the increase in area of the flower bed. So that is 115,600 minus 78400. This will give you the area of the enlarged flower bed, the increased flower bed. Okay? Okay, everybody? Yes, you can do that also, Shreya. So what Shreya has done is she's converted everything into meters. This can also be done. So 280 centimeters, you can convert that into meters. So we know that 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So we have 280 centimeters. So that is 280 by 100, 2.8 meters. So the area of the smaller flower bed, PQRS, this is P, Q, R and S. So area of PQRS is 7.84 meters square. Now area of the extended one, this A, B, C, D. What is the length of each side? We got 340 centimeters, but we want it in meters. So that is going to be 3.40 meters. What will be the area? 3.4 into 3.4. So you got the area of the bigger flower bed also. So how will you find out the increase in the area? Bigger enlarged flower bed minus the small flower bed will give you the area of the remaining region. Understood? Yes? Okay, everybody? Sanskriti, length of the rectangle is length into breadth. So that is 500 into 300. After you find the area, okay, For 1 meter square, they're charging 10,000 rupees. So you have 15,000, right? So you got the area. So many meters square will be how much? You just have to multiply. We have done a similar question in the beginning. I guess you were not there. So please watch the replay there. Okay? Will there be quiz? Yes, there will be quiz. After we solve all the problems, in other 5 minutes, we'll do the quiz. Okay? Okay, promise. Chalo. A piece of wire in the shape of an equilateral triangle, each of side 6.6 centimeters. It's an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are 6.6 centimeters. It is rebent into the form of a circular ring. What is the diameter of the circular ring? What is the relation? You have a wire. First, the wire is bent into the shape of an equilateral triangle where all the three sides are equal to each other. Now, the same wire is bent into the form of a circle. Now, you have to find the diameter of the circle. Since it's the same wire which is used to make both, that means the length of the wire is going to be the same. The length of the wire is nothing but the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So what is the perimeter of the triangle? 6.6 plus 6.6 plus 6.6. That is 6.6 into 3. So what is the answer? 8 centimeters, no? Yeah. 19.8 centimeters is nothing but the circumference of the circle. Okay? Because the length of the wire is nothing but the circumference of the circle. So we have 2 pi r is equals to 19.8. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 19.8. So from here we can get our 19.8 multiplied by 1 by 2, because 2 when you take it to the other side it will reciprocate, so it will become 1 by 2. 22 by 7 when you take it to the other side it will again reciprocate, so it will become 7 by 22. These both can be cancelled using your 11 table. From here you will be getting your r. So I have got my r as 3.14 centimeters. Now what is the question? In the question they have asked us to find out diameter, which is twice of the radius. So 2 multiplied with 3.15 will give you the diameter of the circle. Okay? Very good everybody. Yes, Dev, you have got it right. Chalo. Last question. After this, we are going to move forward with the quizzes. Everybody concentrate. Amlan, you don't have to be worried at all. Okay? Easy peasy questions. Don't worry. Very good. Thank you for answering, everyone. Chalo. The radius of the quarter circular plot taken is 2 meters. And the radius of the circular flower bed is also 2 meters. Find the area of the remaining region. Now I'm going to ask you guys a question. If I add these 4 circular quadrants, if I add A, B, C, D, if I join all of them, will I get a circle? Yes or no? अर्बन गैलरी एक्सपोनेंट्स का क्लास होगा इसके बाद, ठीक है? Okay, everybody answer this. If I add the 4 quadrants together, will I be getting a circle here? Yes? Awesome. So area of the rectangle minus area of these 4 quadrants minus area of this circle will give you the area of the remaining region. है ना? So what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is length multiplied with the breadth. यहाँ पे दिया है length and breadth. So that is 48 meter square. Area of the 4 quadrants. So area of each quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. पर वैसे हमारे पास कितने क्वाड्रेंट्स है? 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स है. So you will multiply with 4. 4 and 4 will anyways get cancelled. So it is 22 by 7 into 4 because r square is 2 square which is 4. So 88 by 7 meter square. Area of the circle is again pi r square. R square is 2 square which is equal to 4. Again 88 by 7. So what is going to be the area of the remaining field? Area of remaining field will be area of the rectangle minus the sum of the areas of the two circles. ठीक है? Okay everybody? Understood? Yes? How you take this formula? Which formula, bacha? Are you talking about this one? 1 by 4 pi r square. It is the area of a quadrant. Okay? If I take a circle and divide it into 4 halves, area of this quadrant here will be 1 by 4 pi r square. But yahan pe we had 4 such quadrants. That is why I multiplied with 4. Eventually, you will get the area of the circle only. ठीक है? Okay, so we found out the area of the two quadrants. We found out the area of the rectangular region. So area of the rectangular region minus the area of the two quadrants. Here 4 pi is nothing but 4 into 22 by 7. Okay, so that is nothing but 88 by 7. The same thing like how we got. Cool? Easy peasy. Awesome, Shreya. Awesome. Pratima, the 4 corners here, bacha, are in the shape of a quadrant. They are a quadrant. Okay? Because it is making an angle of 90 degrees here, right? So it's a quadrant. It is 1/4 of a circle. Yes, we are going forward with the quizzes. Guys, if you haven't joined the quiz, let me quickly tell you where you can join. So quickly, ये जो आप video देख रहे हो ना, first of all, don't forget to like the video right now. ठीक है? Okay. Now, as you move down here in the description box, you can see VQuiz link, right? So click on that link and join. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो एक नया tab खोल लो अपने नए phone में, take another phone or anything, and then type vquiz.in. So यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा please enter the code, right? So the code is going to be 228066. Already 8 people have joined. The code is going to be 228066. ठीक है? Okay, everybody? Two 8066. Hurry up. Come on, come on, come on, everybody. Yes, you have to enter the email ID once. You will get an OTP. Enter that OTP and you are in. Okay? I'll wait. Please set the OTP. Enter the OTP and come. If you don't want to do that, just open vquiz.in and use the code 228066. Hi, Honey Money. Are you all ready? I will start in 5, 4, 3, 2. Prerna, hurry up, bacha. I will start, guys. Let's just wait for everybody to come, no? Let's just wait. That's the fun. More people, more the merrier. Chalo, 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 chalo. Quick. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel here. I'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. Honey Money, I'll think about it before your exams, okay? Do let me know if you want doubt sessions, live doubt sessions here on YouTube. Let me know in the chat comment section. The area of a circle of diameter D is, what is going to be the area of the circle in terms of diameter? The diameter is D. Time up, and a lot of you made a mistake here, guys. Ho kya hai? What is happening? So what is the area here? What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. But we know that r is d by 2. So instead of writing r, I will write d by 2 whole square. So that will be pi d square by 4. Or you can write it as 1 by 4 pi d square. Tukka king, very bad, Chaitanya. So yes, only 2 people could get it right. It's not pi d square. Okay, everybody. The answer is option C, Tintu. So only Dev and Chaitanya could get it right. Very good, everybody. The second question's on your screen. Read the question very carefully. Find the area of the parallelogram. Base is given, height is given. What is the area? Itna easy sawal, bhai saab. Quick, quick, quick. 2, 1. That is a time up. Guys, what is the area of a parallelogram? Base multiplied with the height. 4 into 3, 12 centimeter square. ये जो 3 लोग यहाँ पे, 2 लोग यहाँ पे, go learn your tables first. Okay. And we have Dev, Chaitanya and Geetika in the top 3. And then we have Shreyansh, Jash, Vikyat, Jay, Rohan, Ansh and Prachi. The third question's on your screen. Let's go. The area of a rectangular field is 250 meters square. If the breadth is 10 meters, find its length. Aha, aha, oho. And very good. So what is given, guys? Area is given to be 250 meters square. Area is what? Length into breadth. Breadth is already 10 meters. So what is the length here? 250 by 10. That is 25 meters. Okay? Chalo. Let us look at the leaderboard. We have Dev, Rohan and Jash in the top 3. Then we have Vikyat, Geetika, Jay, Mayank, Amrita, Avij, I'll call you Avij. And Chaitanya. The fourth question's on your screens, everybody. The perimeter of the following figure is. It's a very trick question. It's a half circle and the diameter also you have to take. That line you're seeing, that also you have to consider. The timer is starting, everybody. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a time up. And what is happening? Okay, this is a little tricky question actually. Thoda sa twist hai yahan pe. I'll tell you how. So you have a semicircle like this. Hai na? And the radius is 7 centimeters. Now to find the perimeter, the circumference of the circle, it is actually 2 pi r. But here we only have a half of a circle. So divide by 2. So it is only pi r. What is this? Circumference of the circle. So it is pi r. That is 22 by 7 into 7. Cancel, cancel. You must all be thinking, ma'am, it is just 22 centimeters. No. When I talk about the perimeter, I talk about the boundary. And this line is also included in the boundary. Along with this circular, semicircular region, this is also there. So 22 plus 7 plus 7 will give you the final answer, which is 36 centimeters. Don't make this mistake in your exam. You also have to add the length of the diameter. Okay, everybody. We have Rohan, Jay, Dev, Chaitanya, Shreyas, Jash, Vikyat, Geetika, Mayank, and Amrita. And the fifth and the last questions on your screen. Hi, Chaitra. Thank you, Shashwat. Chalo. A rectangular wire of length 40 centimeters and breadth 20 centimeters is bent into the shape of a square. Find the side of the square. The same rectangular wire, which is made as the length, is now bent into the shape of a square. Hurry up. Thank you, Chaitra. The timer is starting. I have given you a lot of time for this one. A lot of time. There are many new students. I know, I know. Awesome. Good job. 7 people who got the correct answer. Guys, the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be the perimeter of the square. Now, the rectangle here is 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters. So, what is going to be the perimeter here? 2 into L plus B. So, that is 2 into 40 plus 20. 2 into 60, which is 120 centimeters. Now, this 120 centimeters is actually equal to the perimeter of the square, which is 4A. So, A is equal to 120 by 4, which is equal to 30 centimeters. And that's the reason the correct answer is option number C, 30. मेरा नाम लीजिए. Hi, DAV expert. ले लिया आपने. ठीक है? Let us look at the final leaderboard. Chaitanya, you're very much there. First, we have Rohan on the top, Dev in the second place, and Chaitanya in the third place. So, very well done. Very well done, everybody. Good job. Good job. Now, so yes, with this, we are finished. We have learned all the formulas. We have learned important questions that might come in your exam, especially the circular discs wala question. Usually they'll ask you a question related to circles because that is something new you have learned in your grade 7th. Okay, so do not forget to like this video, share this video with all the 7th graders. Let them also know the important questions. And in this one video, you're finishing the entire chapter. ठीक है? Okay, अगर आपको कोई doubt है, so please make sure that you are commenting below and I will definitely try to reply back to your comments. ठीक है? Okay. अच्छा, आपका नाम भी हरिप्रिया है. Same to same. That's awesome. चलो. Amazing. Thank you so much, everybody. We will again meet next class. Until then, this is your master teacher, Haripriya, signing off.